Welcome to an ACM quick tip video. This lesson will be on how to count a total number of cells that meet your criteria using Countif function. So let's say you have a large set of data. Using this example, let's say you wanted to find out how many times people reached a sales goal of over 80,000. First, click on a blank cell and type $Countif parentheses. Then highlight the range of data you'd like to collect. Be careful with what you want to show here. If you highlight the total, these numbers might all be included in your count, and you don't want that in this instance. Once the specific data you want is highlighted, press comma, then set your criteria. In this case, you want any number above 80K, so type in semicolon, greater than sign, 80,000, semicolon, then end parentheses and hit enter. As you can see, all the numbers above 80,000 are summed up. Simply change this criteria to meet your specific needs. I hope this quick tip helped with your Excel issue. Please hit the like button and subscribe for more tips. ACM is an approved AACE and PMI trainer. Find out more about ACM by visiting our website linked in the description below. Thanks for watching.